Just look at this perfectly steamed tilapia, tender, juicy, and packed with flavor. Whether you're looking for something light, healthy, or just delicious, this dish hits a different spot every time. Here is my homemade green marinade. Comment down below if you need this recipe and I'll bring that to you. Hello, my dear Reynas family. If you are new here, my name is Reynas and thank you for tuning in. Today, your number one chef is going to share with you how to make steam or oven baked tilapia. I have my homemade green seasoning. Here is my tray. So I just had to use oil spray to spray my tray because I don't want any fish to be sticky at the bottom. I'll be using tilapia for this recipe and my tilapia is well cleaned, and I also padded dry using I use my paper towel to pad dry. So if you love my recipes, keep watching, keep sharing, keep subscribing, and I love you all and I don't take your love for granted. So right now, let's marinate our fish, okay? So what I will do is I will just put my fish directly into the tray. As you can see, my tray is well lined with a foil paper because at the end of it, we'll have to wrap up our fish with the foil paper. So let's get started. Thank you and keep watching. So right now here I just put in everything into my tray, and don't also forget to give some cuts because we need this seasoning to penetrate very well into the fish. So give as many cuts as you can so that every seasoning will get deep into the fish. As you can see, I'm adding in my seasoning. I'll add on one side and I'll flip to the opposite side and I'll add even more seasoning. Remember, we are going to wrap up this fish, so don't be scared to add as much seasoning as you can. After marinating my fish, I'll now add in my olive oil. Just make sure to sprinkle some olive oil on your fish because we want the fish not just moist, it should be soft from the inside that you can even chew the bone when the fish is ready. So I'm adding in my olive oil. After adding my olive oil, I'll just get a foil paper and cover at the bottom and the top, as you can see. Right now, I'm taking it into my oven because my oven has been preheating for a while. So let's bake our fish. So my dear friends, meanwhile our fish is baking, we'll go ahead to clean our ripe plantains because we'll have to roast these fried plantains and eat with that baked fish. Make sure to try this recipe. It's not a joke. This meal is so good, it's so tasty, it's so delicious, like you could get the aroma from outside of my kitchen. So here is my ripe plantains. Make sure to get the very ripe ones so that your recipe will be as sweet as mine. So now we have to check our fish. Can you see the steam? This is what I call oven steam fish. So at this point we will have to check. Look at the steam. Look at the seasoning. Everything is deep into the fish. Can you see that? So what I will do is I will just open up the foil, not too much. I'll open half of it and then I will take back my fish into the oven because I want it not to be too soft or watery. I just want like it should be a bit tough at the back, crusty, not really crusty, but you understand what I'm saying. So that is what I want. So I'll just put it back into my oven. And as you can see, our fish is finally out. and our fish is ready. So we'll just leave our fish in the oven to keep it warm. Meanwhile, we'll go ahead to prep our ripe plantains, okay? Look at our fish. So nice, so delicious, so tasty, so flavorful. The flavor is too much. It's not a joke. So what I did, I just gave some cuts to on my plantains. Then I'll have to season the plantains. Make sure to season it, okay? So after seasoning my plantain, I'll just have to put them in the oven. I just line my tray and I'll drop my plantains there and I'll grill them in the oven, okay? If you don't like grilled plantains, you can go ahead to fry or cook. Whatever is suitable for you, you are very free to do that. So don't forget to also rub some olive oil on your plantains so that by the time they are ready, they should have that shine, okay? So my dear friends, as you can see, our plantain is ready. Look at the color, look at our plantain. I'm dancing because I have to enjoy right now. So let's serve our food. Can you see the fish? And can you see our banana plantain? This food is so nice, very easy. It doesn't take time to prepare. Make sure to cook this food for your loved ones, for your kids, for get together. You don't have to stress yourself, especially when you're a working mom. Okay? Don't stress yourself. Just make things easy for yourself. You could marinate your fish overnight and keep in the fridge. When you get back from work, you just put it in the oven. But make sure to always wrap it up with a foil paper. And that is it. Can you see? I'm just here enjoying my fish. Can you see how soft it is from the inside? Look at the seasoning is right inside of the fish.